Hi, welcome to another tutorial. I'm going to show you how to delete an index in Kibana. You click Management and then you click Index Patterns. And we have 4 indexes. Here's the list. And I want to erase the arc. So we delete. Okay. So now let's go to Dashboard, to our Kobotoolbox. And here I created a form. It is important that your form doesn't have commas because CSV files are separated by commas, and if you create an object, if you create a CSV file and import it into Kibana and it has a comma, it will create a different object from the same question, and that is undesirable, so don't do it. We download it and we export it. I already did that, so let's go back to Kibana and let's go to the home where you can import in CSV. So tap Slow and then you select the file that you downloaded. In this case, I downloaded a file called Dashboard, and it should show you all the pretty data like that. At this point, the only mistake you can have is the one that I mentioned before about the commas. Then we override the settings, and we always override 2 fields, the ID and the index. And I think object number and pos are really quite good names for overriding these fields. And you can see there's already some data that's been analytical here, and then we create import. Now when we're in this window, we click advance because I want you to see the mapping that is in that JSON object, and it gives you every field, every question, and the answer, it gives you the type. So in here, what you can do is you change the data type for the answers of the questions. I typically would change long to integer, and sometimes I would change keyword to text. I keep it as keyword only if it's a select one kind of question, but if it's a random text that the user inputs, then I keep it like text. And then we select the name. Oh, that is so strange. It hasn't uploaded. It hasn't updated. So let's put arc1 because clearly this thing doesn't get refreshed until like a day or 2. And then we do import, and it should give you this beautiful output saying that you did everything well. And then you go to discover, where it should show you all your outputs in a bit. Okay, and right away we can do visualizations from here, so we can click visualize here. Now if you want to save this visualization, let's just change it a bit. I don't like it when it comes from descending. Then we click play again. Okay, so if you didn't make any change, you still have to click the play button because it won't enable save until you do. And let's put arc1 b1 confirms. Now once you have that done, you can access it by clicking visualize again, and it should be right here. Alright, then what happens if we want to do a dashboard? We click on dashboard, we click again because this is one that we had. Where is it? Okay, there we go. So we create a new dashboard and we add our visualizations from here. We search for it. There we go. And it should be added like that. And that's how you do. And if you want to do another object fresh from scratch, we just click on visualize again. We select, oops, that's the wrong one, but it's the same. So let's go back. Okay, it's not going back. There we go. We select the graph we want to use and the index, and it should pop it up. Oh, okay, so if we want to select a specific question, we leave this metrics count as it is. We go down to the bucket and we choose term, and then we choose the question that we want to put, which are all here. And then we click the play button, and there's how it